Understanding loop control.
Loops are fundamental in programming, allowing you to repeat actions multiple times. However, you might need more control over exactly when a loop should stop or skip certain steps. That's where the break and continue statements come in. Both give you precise control over your loop's flow, helping you write cleaner, more efficient code.
What is the break statement?
The break statement immediately stops the current loop. When the code hits a break inside a loop, the program exits the loop entirely, even if the loop condition would normally keep it running. This is useful when you found what you're looking for, or there's no reason to continue looping.
What is the continue statement?
The continue statement skips the rest of the current loop iteration and jumps directly to the next one. Instead of stopping the entire loop, continue tells the program to ignore the remaining code in the loop's body for this cycle, then check the loop condition again. This is great for ignoring unnecessary or unwanted cases.
Comparing break and continue.
And continue both alter a loop's flow but in different ways. Break completely exits the loop, ending the repetition. Continue only skips the current cycle, moving directly to the next iteration. Choosing between them depends on whether you want to finish the loop early or just bypass specific cases.
When to use break or continue?
Use break when you've achieved your goal within the loop and there's no need to continue. Use continue when you want to skip over certain values or conditions but keep looping. Understanding when and how to use these statements makes your code more effective and easier to read.